How to square a number. To square a number, multiply it by itself. Example, what is 3 squared? Squared is often written as a little 2 like this. This says 4 squared equals 16. The little 2 says the number appears twice in multiplying. Squares from 0 to 6. Negative numbers. We can also square negative numbers. Example, what happens when we square -5? That was interesting. When we square a negative number we get a positive result. Just the same as squaring a positive number. Square roots. A square root goes the other way. 3 squared is 9, so a square root of 9 is 3. A square root of a number is a value that can be multiplied by itself to give the original number. A square root of 9 is 3, because when 3 is multiplied by itself, we get 9. It is like asking, what can we multiply by itself to get this? To help you remember, think of the root of a tree. I know the tree, but what root made it? I know the tree, but what root made it? Here are some more squares and square roots. Negatives. We discovered earlier that we can square negative numbers. Example, -3 squared is 9. And of course 3 times 3 equals 9 also. So the square root of 9 could be -3 or +3. Example, what are the square roots of 25? The square root symbol. This is a special symbol that names square root. It is sort of like a tick, and actually started hundreds of years ago as a dot with flick upwards. It is called the radical, and always makes mathematics look important. We use it like, and we say square root of 9 equals 3. Example, what is square root of 25? But wait a minute. Can't the square root also be -5? Because -5 times -5 equals 25 too. Well, the square root of 25 could be -5 or +5. But when we use the radical symbol square root we only give the positive or 0 result. Example, what is the square root 36? Perfect squares. The perfect squares, also called square numbers, are the squares of the integers. Try to remember them up to 12. Calculating square roots. It is easy to work out the square root of a perfect square, but it is really hard to work out other square roots. Example, what is square root of 10? Getting closer to 10, but it will take a long time to get a good answer. At this point, I get out my calculator. But the digits just go on and on, without any pattern. So even the calculator's answer is only an approximation. Numbers like that are called irrational numbers. Square root day. The 4th of April 2016 is a square root day. The next after that is the 5th of May 2025.